Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my fall eyeshadow look, and I already have my eyebrows and my eyelids prepped. So without further ado, let's get on to the video.
Waited once again. I don't know where I am, but I just know I'm drifting far from you. I'm trying to keep my head strong, but my heart won't just let me go away from you. Don't you know we're drifting off, drifting off.
Okay, so to start off this eyeshadow look, I'm going into my Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to take Sauced, which is that shade right there, and I'm going to take that on a fluffy brush, and this is a Wet n Wild brush, and I'm just going to put that as my transition shade. So yeah. Okay, so now that that's done, my transition shade is on. I'm going to do a bit of blending. But now, not that brush, with this brush. It's like a angled, not angled, but a fluffy brush, but it's smaller. I'm going to take He Devil, and I'm going to put that right underneath, like right there, and yeah. Okay, so that is done. Now I'm going into my 88 color eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics, and let's see, I'm going to take that red shade right there, and I'm going to do the same thing as I did with He Devil. Now I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I'm going to blend it better. So now going to go, I should have kept the brush out, the other one that I used before, but going back in with this brush, I'm going to take that orange shade up there at the top. And I'm also going to add that on my transition shade on top of it. So I'm going to darken the red up more. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm going to darken everything up, and I'm going to use, I'm trying to find what shade I want to use. I'm going to use Fugo, which is that shade right there. And I'm going to mix it with that deeper red down at the bottom, very bottom. But first I'm going to go with Fugo. And using the brush from the Naked Heat palette, I'm using the domed side, like tapered side. There's a better word. So yeah. Okie dokie. So I'm done with that. Now I'm going to do a half cut crease because I tried doing full cut creases and they don't go very well for me. So I'm going to do a half cut crease. And I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape, my go-to concealer, because this is like the best concealer in the world. And I'm taking that on a double-sided Wet n Wild brush, the flat side though, not this fluffy side, but the flat side. And I'm going to cut my crease. Let's cut it. I'm like keeping my eye closed a little bit now. I'm gonna take this brush, and since it's like fall, I'm gonna take like the yellow, and there's like I think that looks kind of orangey, and I'm gonna mix those two together and I'm gonna pack that onto the eyelid. But I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so now I'm just going to blend the colors into the cut crease that's already onto my eyelid with the other side of the brush. Alright, so the crease is cut, my crease is cut, and now it is time for a fun part. Just kidding, it's not fun. It's looking so cute right now, like so cute. I'm going to take one of these two mascaras and I'm going to do my bottom lashes. I look pretty scary right there. I'm a thirsty girl. This is the Length and Volume mascara. Will it focus? No, it won't. It's from e.l.f. And here's, oh nards. Here's what the brush looks like. And I'm going to put that onto my bottom lashes. Oh, nards. I got some under my eye. Okay, so my bottom lashes are mascaraed. I'm retarded. They're coated in mascara right now. So I'm gonna go get a Q-tip and I'm gonna clean up my the mascara that I got underneath, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I cleaned the mascara from underneath my eyes. And to complete that half cut crease, I'm going into my Wet n Wild palette. This is the Coming in Latte. And I'm going to take that gold shade right there. And I'm going to put that on top of my eyeshadow. And I'm trying to find the right brush right now. Got it. So this brush, and I'm just gonna spritz it with some of this Mario Badescu spray. And yeah, it's gonna look sparkly. I like sparkly. I like to look sparkly. Just gonna pack it onto my eye. So our eyelids are looking super sparkly right now. Oh no, okay. So I'm going to blend that eyeshadow on top and going to fix this a little bit. So that's done. Now it is time to highlight our brow bone. So I'm going to take this Way to Glow liquid illuminator from Profusion onto a flat brush, and I'm just going to add that to my brow bone. Alright, so to top that off, I'm going to go with the Profusion Loose Highlighter. It's like loose. And we're going to make it look even more sparklier, because we want to look super sparkly into the light. Just like on top of my brow, right there. You see where that highlight is? Woo! Ah. I'm stunned. Oh my. Y'all's hunty. Oh my god, slay. I'm looking like the sun right now. Alright, so to complete, we didn't do the inner corner for a reason. I'm going to take this brass color from Wet n Wild. It's like gold. I got this at the dollar store. You can get at, I think you get at CVS, Walmart, Target, oh god, the dollar store. But be careful when you're opening it, because I was a tard and I jammed my finger into the thing because I wasn't paying attention, because I'm retarded. So I'm going to take that onto my inner corner. Again, trying to find the perfect brush for this. I'm just going to take this angled one, and I'm just going to apply that to my inner corner. Okay, that's done. I really like that. That's super sparkly. I think I'm gonna add some to my brow bone too. Ow. Okay, so I almost forgot. We have to take the same colors we did at the top underneath our eyes. So again, going in with all the shades that I took up here underneath my eye. And I'm going to do that rather quickly so I can get it complete. Alright, so our shades are dragged underneath our eyes. So now I don't even know which mascara. Now I'm going to take my mascara and I'm going to put on my top lashes. And then once that's done, I'm going to put my Ardell lashes on off camera, and then I'll show you guys the completed look. So let's put the mascara. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to put my eyelashes on off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so my eyelashes are on and this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. And comment down below if you guys have any ideas for any future makeup videos. And comment down below if you guys like this look, because I kind of like it. It's eh. But yeah. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.